Hi guys, this is about tensioning the drive belts. For some reason I had to take it off and start the engine without the belt because it seemed very heavy. So I took it off from here and then the engine started. But the problem was then to put the belt back on and then fix it at the right position using these bolts. There are four bolts. Now you can't take this pulley out and back in again unless you slide it a little bit backwards. Now to bring it back to the same position where these belts have right tension, you have to push it backwards and at the same time tighten the bolts. It's not really easy, so the trick I'm going to use this jack which I fixed here between the compressor pistons and the engine, and I'm going to use this jack to push it forward, and once I achieve the right tension I'll tighten these bolts.